Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a 20 EMA on TradingView. This is a popular indicator used to track trends and identify potential entry or exit points. On the TradingView Supercharged dashboard, we will add this as an indicator. Click the indicator button in the top left part of your dashboard. Here, simply type EMA or Exponential Moving Average in the search bar. Then, click Moving Average Exponential to add it. As you can see, there are now blue lines on our chart. This is our EMA. To set this to a 20 EMA, click on the EMA, then click the settings icon. We will change the value from 9 to 20. This sets our EMA length to 20. Once we click OK, it will update to a 20 EMA on our chart. And that's how we add a 20 exponential moving average on TradingView. With this simple setup, we can improve our chart analysis and better understand market trends.